Hi guys! A couple days ago I crawled up on the roof without my camera because I was a little nervous crawling up there and it was very cold and I didn't want to break my camera or my bones by like falling off or something. So I took a look up on the roof and it is a mess. It's a complete mess. I'm gonna go out here in a couple of minutes and go ahead and show you what kind of a mess it is up there, but I was going to go up today. I got a scraper and I've got the Dicor all ready to go, and I woke up today and it's cold and dreary and we've got a blizzard watch coming, so yet again I am delayed. At this point, because of winter approaching very, very quickly, I'm really nervous about how this winter's going to go, because I have to get the roof cleaned off. I have to get the new sealant put up there. And, you know, I need this done before it starts really snowing. But it looks like I'm not going to get it done before the first big snow of the year, and I'm thinking about tossing a tarp down in all the places it's been leaking in here, just to kind of protect things. Good news though, when I sealed the other window over the couch, it worked. And the last time it rained, the windows didn't leak. So that's super awesome. I also thought about finishing the painting of my oven, but I think it's too cold to paint, and we don't exactly have a heated garage, or I would do that. And another good thing, the previous owners finally sent us their powers of attorney, so we have to, and I'm really nervous doing this, I really don't want to do this, but this week at some point we have to take the RV up to get a VIN verification, because we cannot get anybody to come over to our house to do the VIN verification so that we can get the title, so that we'll be legal to drive. So basically we have to drive illegally to go to get our VIN verification and hope that we don't get into any trouble on the way. Then we are on Friday, for sure, because we now actually have the powers of attorney. We're going down on Friday to get the title transferred to their name so we can get the title transferred to our name. Hopefully we have all the paperwork we need once we get the VIN verification done. And then we can have the title. Anyway, wish us luck with the VIN verification, that we don't get pulled over and ticketed or worse. And wish us luck that the clerk's office doesn't give us the runaround and tell us we need to do even more stuff. And wish us luck in this snowstorm, that the interior doesn't get damaged. I'm gonna go ahead and hold the camera up to the roof and see what I can show you as to the mess that it is up there. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So you can see there's a lot of silicone around here, or whatever, that needs to be fixed. And like, that guy's like completely covered, and so is that guy, and all that over there is just really globbed on. And I'm not sure if just covering that all up again is going to be the best course of action here. So I really don't know how to go about this. Like I said, I'm probably just going to scrape it all off and start over.